All right, welcome to the Wild West of business. Now, Nevada isn't just home to the neon lights of Las Vegas, it's also a haven for entrepreneurs looking to start their LLC with a bit of freedom and flexibility. So, whether you're drawn to the low taxes or the bustling entrepreneurial spirit, setting up an LLC in Nevada is a strategic move that can help your business thrive. So, if you're ready to make it official, let's break down the process so that you can get your LLC up and running in no time, no confusion, and no stress. Now, before you do anything, you will need a solid name for your LLC. Nevada's rules are pretty simple here. You just need to include limited liability company or abbreviate it to LLC or L.L.C. But here's the kicker. Your name has to be unique. You can't just use any name floating around in the ether. So head over to the Nevada Secretary of State's website to check if your desired name is available. If it is, perfect. And if not, no worries, just get creative and come up with something that's still all yours. Now, here's a pro tip. If you are not quite ready to file, but don't want anyone else to scoop up your name, then you can reserve it for $25 for up to 90 days. Every LLC in Nevada needs a registered agent. Now, this person or company will be your official point of contact for important legal documents, like tax notices or lawsuits. They need a physical address in Nevada and should be available during business hours to receive these documents on your behalf. Now, you can play the role of your own registered agent, but a lot of business owners opt to hire a professional service. And it's simple, it keeps your personal address private, and ensures that all of your documents get handled without a hitch. Now, here's what it costs. A registered agent service typically ranges from $100 to $300 annually, depending on the service you choose. Next up, it's time to make your LLC official by filing the Articles of Organization with the Nevada Secretary of State. Now, this form includes the basic info about your business, your LLC's name, registered agent, and address. It's a simple form, and you can file it online or by mail. The filing fee, the cost to file your Articles of Organization, is $75. And again, you can file that online, which is quick and easy, and you'll usually get confirmation within a day or two. Once your LLC is officially on the books, the next step is to get your EIN. This is your employer identification number, and this is from the IRS. This is basically like your LLC's social security number. It's needed for tax purposes, opening a business bank account, and hiring employees. The good news, it is free to apply for, and you can do it directly on the IRS website. And while Nevada doesn't require LLCs to have an operating agreement, it's definitely a smart idea to have one in place. And this document outlines how your LLC will operate, who's in charge, how decisions will be made, and what happens if someone leaves or joins. Now, even if you are the sole member of your LLC, having an operating agreement in writing keeps everything clear and legally sound. Depending on what kind of business you are running, you may need to register for certain state taxes like sales tax or employment tax. And you can handle that through the Nevada Department of Taxation. Additionally, some businesses will need special permits or licenses, especially if they are operating in industries like health, food, or construction. So check with your local county or city government to ensure that you are fully compliant. Unlike many other states, Nevada does require LLCs to file an annual list of officers and directors, as well as pay an annual fee. The fee is $150 and is due by the end of your LLC's anniversary month. There's also a business license renewal fee, which is $500 annually. So be sure to mark your calendar and keep your business up to date. Wrapping up here, forming an LLC in Nevada is a straightforward process when you know the steps. From choosing your name and filing your Articles of Organization to handling taxes and keeping up with annual compliance. It's all about staying organized and on top of things. And at Simplify LLC, we can help make the entire process even easier, whether you need to file your formation documents, act as your registered agent, or stay on top of your compliance needs. We've got your back. So if you're ready to get started, visit simplifyllc.com and let us help you turn your business dreams into reality. If you found this guide helpful, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. We are here to help, and we'll catch you in the next video.